The guiding principle behind Studio 64 recovery is compassion. I think that everyone's going through something different in life. You just gotta let everybody have their moment. It's really just one day at a time, and you really don't know what people are going through in life. So compassion, empathy, just heart, I would say. Studio 64, I really wanted them to have a fun, I wanted it to be an adventure, really, because you leave behind this life that was so chaotic and so crazy and wild, and you just don't want the clients to think that it's going to be boring after that. So I just wanted them to have something that's going to give them new memories, new opportunity, new everything, really. It's just, I wanted them to have a good time. I wanted them to know that recovery is fun. To me, recovery means a beautiful life, learning how to get through struggles. You know, recovery doesn't mean that your life just becomes this wonderful, beautiful thing. It's not just like rainbows and unicorns. It's learning how to deal with things that arise like on a daily basis, when typically you would just resort to doing, drugs or maybe just drinking alcohol. But recovery means getting through those things. Your first choice is not to go and drink or use. Your first choice is to get through whatever situation it is that's, in front of you. What really motivates me to continue doing this on a daily basis is seeing clients coming out of their darkest moments in life. I see them coming into detox just broken, and by the time they are in Studio 64, they're just like completely different. They have life back in their, just the light is there. So I think that keeps me motivated on a daily basis.